In today's video, I will show you how to recover a disappeared messenger conversation. First, check your archived chats because a conversation often appears missing simply because it was accidentally archived out of sight. Did you know that archiving hides a thread without erasing its data, making it a great way to declutter your inbox without losing your memories? To find it via the mobile app, tap the menu icon represented by three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner and then tap Archive. If you find the missing conversation there, simply tap and hold it and then click on Archive to return it safely back to your main chat list. The second option is to search for the chat directly, because if you haven't archived or permanently deleted the thread, you can easily pull it back up by using the built-in search tool. Tap the search bar at the very top of the Messenger app and type the person's name or a specific word used in that conversation to immediately bring it back to your screen. Finally, you can turn off disappearing messages or vanish mode if your text exchanges keep vanishing automatically, as these features might be actively turned on by either party. To disable this, open your chat, tap the person's name at the very top of the window, scroll down to the privacy settings until you find disappearing messages, and ensure it is completely toggled off so your history stays saved. And that's it! That's how you recover a disappeared messenger conversation.